Hey. How have you been?
Hey there. I've been good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well, thanks for asking.
It's been a while since we caught up.
Up to lately?
Oh, the usual daily grind. Work, errands, and trying to find some time for myself. It's been quite busy.
I hear you, life can get hectic.
But speaking of finding time for yourself, how about we plan something fun for the weekend?
That sounds fantastic.
I've been craving some quality time with friends.
What did you have in mind?
Well, I was thinking we could go for a hike on Saturday morning. There's this beautiful trail I've heard about, perfect for a little adventure. A hike? Count me in. I've been itching to spend some time in nature. What trail are you talking about? It's called Pine Ridge Trail. It's not too far from here. And the views are supposedly breathtaking. What time are we thinking? How about we meet up around 9 a.m.? That way, we can beat the crowds and have a peaceful hike. Great idea. 9 a.m. it is. What should we bring? Do we need any special gear? Good question. Comfortable hiking shoes, a backpack with some snacks and water, and maybe a light jacket in case it gets chilly. Oh, and a camera if you're into photography. The views are Instagram-worthy. I'll make a checklist. Hiking gear, camera, and a big dose of enthusiasm. It's going to be a blast. And you know what would be awesome after the hike? A picnic at the park nearby. A picnic sounds perfect. What are we planning to pack for the picnic? How about sandwiches, some fresh fruit, and maybe some homemade iced tea? And, of course, a comfy blanket or mat to sit on. That sounds delightful. I'll bring the sandwiches. Do you have a favorite fruit in mind? Let's go with strawberries and grapes. They're easy to share and super refreshing. Strawberries and grapes it is. I'm already looking forward to it. Me too. So, after the hike and picnic, we can relax for a bit. And, if we have the energy, maybe catch a movie in the evening? That sounds like a well-rounded day. Any movie in particular you've been wanting to see? I heard there's a new comedy film that's getting good reviews. How about we check that out? Like a plan. Count me in for the movie too. Awesome. So, we've got the hike, picnic, and a movie all lined up for Saturday. It's going to be a day to remember. Absolutely. I can't wait. Thanks for putting this together. It's going to be a fantastic day filled with adventure, good food, and laughter. That's the best kind of day. Looking forward to it. All right, I'll see you at the trailhead at 9 a.m. sharp. Take care and see you soon. 2. Take care, and see you on Saturday. With this video, and found it helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more exciting adventures, and share it with your friends.